We got a new scooter today, which is Ibrit Rush Lite. Feel the power of riding for my beautiful wife. And yeah, this is. You can zoom in here. It shows that it is 20 kilometers max speed, 13 kilometer max range, ultra lightweight, 11 kilos, and charging time up to 4 hours. Let's open it up and check it out. What's inside, guys? So unboxing the Ibrit electric scooter. Ooh. That's your charger. And these are your handles. Okay. What else? Okay. That's your scooter directly inside, man. Nothing else. Alright. So let's open it up. You can come, baby. A little bit. So you can see the tire. These are very nice big tires. Here you go. Zoom into the tires and check it out. So this is where the engine is, and this is your back tire, and that's your brake. Okay, it is quite lightweight compared to the others. Yeah, it's lightweight. There's a stand here, and there's a latch. So we just press this, and then there you go. Whoa, man, it's all ready to roll. Okay, and this is where we put our handle. So easy latch, fold when we do this, and then okay, so for this first we need to this, and then press this, and it just folds up very easily. See, and then it locks up. But anyway, if you want to redo it again, just press the latch, and there you go. So you wanna do the test drive? Let's do it, man. Let me go to reverse. So I'm on the first gear. Okay. So this is a max speed of 8, baby. This is on the It's good, man. See?